Hey there, vegan fam. Today, I'm gonna share with you another amazing vegan burger recipe for your summer cookouts. This time, we're using green jackfruit and vegan barbecue sauce. This recipe is perfect for a vegan barbecue or any occasion where you want to enjoy a delicious and flavorful burger with a gourmet twist. This recipe is an adaptation of pulled pork barbecue burgers. Got your attention? Well then, let's dive into this. Start by heating up a large skillet with a bit of olive oil. Add in the chopped onions and sauté them until they become soft and golden. Next, toss in the ketchup, molasses, apple cider vinegar, sweet paprika, vegan Worcestershire sauce, and chili powder. Mix it all up until you've got a delicious and aromatic sauce. Now, it's time to add the green jackfruit to the mix. Make sure the jackfruit is nicely shredded to soak up all that saucy goodness. Transfer a portion of the green jackfruit with the sauce onto each of the burger buns. And guess what? You can serve these delicious burgers right away, but you can also take them to the grill. Yep, you heard me right. If you want to add that extra smoky flavor, throw these burgers on the grill for a few minutes. They'll turn out amazing. No matter how you choose to prepare these burgers, I'm sure everyone will love them. And the best part is, they're totally vegan. So go ahead, give this delicious recipe a try, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this tasty recipe with your friends and family. Have a fantastic vegan barbecue and enjoy. Until next time, folks. Bon appetit!